everybody. Now Hey everybody, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. We have a special guest today. It's his birthday. Happy birthday. It's August 3rd if everybody wants to know. Anyway, he wanted me to make this pepper steak in a crock pot. And I did have everything, kinda. We're gonna substitute some stuff, but we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna flip y'all around and show you what we need. Okay, we're gonna need stewed tomatoes, vegetable oil. Okay, it says soy sauce, but we don't use soy sauce. We like the liquid aminos. Sweetener, that's a sugar-free sweetener. In my fancy, snatchy storage container with my Cricut font on there, it's just my handwriting. Cornstarch, onion, garlic powder. It says green bell peppers, but we're going to use these bell peppers to get them used up. I'm going to put mushrooms in it, and then sirloin steak. We're gonna get this moved out of the way, and we're gonna start. Yeah.
Okay.
And we're gonna start cutting up, and it's easy for you to do.
Yeah, I'm
and then we're gonna start the pan here. I'll let you start the pan.
Okay.
So what are you
doing in the pan?
We need to put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and on medium heat. I need to wash my hands.
Yeah, I better wash my hands. Okay, so what are you cooking, the meat first?
We're gonna brown it off.
Okay.
We're gonna kind of brown it on both sides.
Okay.
I forgot my bed of bouillon. So you need to get the pan hot, and I got it.
Okay.
Medium heat. And I'll show you how we're gonna cut the meat.
Okay.
We'll flip y'all down. This is when this was $1.19 a pound. This is $8.71.
Huh?
This was $8.71 when I bought it.
Mm-hmm.
It's been in there for a little bit. Okay, so what they say to do is to slice this into 2-inch strips. There's 4 of them here. So is that about 2 inches?
It's about 1 inch.
I wish I had more workspace. Did you put your stuff in there, your oil? No, you're not going to spray it. You got to put oil.
Where's the oil?
Up there.
Vegetable oil?
Yes, and you put 3 tablespoons. That's a tablespoon.
I thought it was. Putting it in?
Yeah. Do you want to cut this up?
Yeah.
And what I'm doing is I'm cutting it in half.
It's kind of like pastrami.
It's the half. That's 3 tablespoons?
Yeah, you want another one?
No.
I need some sharper than that.
That's all I've got. Are you kidding me?
Hmm?
It's not cutting it.
I thought it was an idea.
pair of scissors?
No? I'm good.
Okay, what I did was had Robert, he put 3 tablespoons of oil in the pan, got it hot, and we started cutting up the sirloin steak and putting it in the pan. What we're doing is we're browning it off. Okay, now what I'm doing is we're going to add garlic powder to the meat. You can do it to taste, or you can do it to however much you want. Garlic doesn't hurt you. But I did add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to the pan and warmed it or heated it up before we even started cooking the meat. Just remember, you need to keep flipping the meat as you cook it, so you don't burn it or it dries out too quickly.
Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight.
Now here, Robert got a fork. Why? I don't know, but he's special sometimes. But anyway, I had a pair of tongs that I was rolling it with, and he was like, I guess he thought he needed this. Anyway, your meat doesn't have to be completely done. What you're doing is you're gathering the taste, and then you're going to dump it into your crock pot, which I forgot to show here. And he's adding more meat and letting this cook, and I think this is all the meat. Why he's turning it, I don't know. Anyway, I'm getting ready to cut up all the vegetables. What I'm doing here is going to cut up this onion first, and what we're going to do is we're going to slice it into big pieces and then quarter it. And then that way we can, that onion's bad, let me change it out. Okay, now a new onion. Yes, this one is good. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel the skin off. A lot of people don't peel the full skin off. I take one layer, the layer that has the peeled plus one. For the simple fact, it has dirt on it. This is the country girl in me, the way that we were taught to do it. You just take it off so you don't have that dirt taste to it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up my bell peppers. I'm going to cut off the tops, and I'm going to take the stems out of the tops and really use the tops also. I'm not wasting any of this bell pepper as much as I can. I'm going to save all of what I can. Bell pepper up into quarters, and then we're going to cut them again in big pieces, because that's the way the Chinese places do it, isn't it? Just cut them up big. And I'm just cutting off where the stem was at and then cutting up my bell pepper. And then Robert is putting the meat into the pot while I finish up the bell pepper. Do here is I'm going to wash my mushrooms. I am going to take the stems out. I don't like the stems in the mushroom, especially the fresh ones, because I feel like they taste like dirt. I don't know why, I just don't like the dirt taste even after I wash them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quarter my mushrooms and then stick those in the pot with everything else. Okay, now what I'm doing doing here is I'm putting my better than beef bouillon. I didn't do a beef flavor in it, a beef stock. I just did better than bouillon in it because it has a better taste to it. And then I'm going to add my canned tomatoes to my crock pot. And then I'm going to add my liquid aminos, my sugar, and what else am I going to add to it? I think that's all I'm going to add to this one, and I'm going to mix it together, and then I'm going to put that in my pot. I forgot a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we're going to mix it all together, and then we're going to cover it and let it cook on high for a couple of minutes, and then, or no, I'm sorry, a couple of hours. And that, my friends, is dinner. And I made chicken fried rice with it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's hot and sweaty here today, so it's in the, what, hundreds? It's hot. That's all I got to say. It's hot. I got sweat rolling in my eyes. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. See you later. Bye.